Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of online translation jobs and review a reputable company called Translavic. What sets Translavic apart is their access to innovative translation technology. If you're interested in working with Translavic, all you need to do is visit their website and click on the About Us section. From there, you'll find a dedicated Vacancies button that will take you to the instructions for applying. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.